Hello everyone! So today I will tour you in one of the most used online platforms nowadays, which is the Google Meet. Okay, so tour talaga. Okay, so ngayon nasa window tayo kung saan ito muna yung una mong makikita before joining a virtual class or a virtual meeting. Okay, kasi there are some ways in joining a virtual class or virtual meeting. Pwedeng in-invite ka through your Google account. So, makikita mo sa Gmail mo. And then, all you have to is to click yes. Okay, tapos automatic, mapupunta na sa Google Calendar mo yon. Okay, so once you open your Meet Google.com tab, makikita mo na kagad sa calendar mo. Also, pwede rin namang hindi ka in-invite to your Gmail, pero binigay sa iyo yung link through your Messenger. So, once you click the link, automatic, another window will be open. Ganito rin ulit. Yan. So, you can join virtual class. Okay? Or, pwede rin ulit na ang binigay lang ay code. Okay? Ano yung Meet code na tinatawag? So, Meet code is composed of 10 characters. Okay? Makikita nyo, ito po. Ito yung Meet code namin ngayon. Okay? In a virtual simulation class. So, pwedeng yan lang yung binigay sa'yo. Or, so you can click join now and then type the code that was given to you. Okay? So, yun, makakasali ka na, makakapag-join ka na sa isang virtual meeting or virtual class.
Okay, so when you type in meet.google.com, yan, ito yung window na lalabas. So, nothing scheduled today, it means wala naman kayong nakaschedule or hindi kayo in-invite using Google Mail. Diba? So, all you have to do is to click this one, join or start a meeting, and then type in the code that was given to you. Katulad nga ng sabi ko kanina. Okay, yung 10 characters na code. Actually, the first thing that you need to check when joining a virtual meeting or virtual class, kung ano ba yung gamit mo na Google account. So, dito, just click the picture. Yan. Makikita mo ano yung Gmail na gamit mo. And kung mali naman, kasi di ba marami tayong mga Google accounts, so pwede kang mag-switch ng account. And then choose what account will you use in joining a certain meeting or a certain class. Okay? So, for today, I'm gonna use my Google Suite account. So, okay na yan. So, another thing before joining a virtual meeting or virtual class, yan, is that you can turn off your camera and mute your microphone beforehand. So, dito makikita mo if your microphone is working properly. Okay? So, you can mute your microphone. Pwede rin namang i-turn off yung camera. Okay? So, here, more options. When you click this one, yan, you can add an in-house live stream. Can turn on the captions. Ito parang subtitle. Siyempre, yung settings. Okay, for the audio, yan, makikita mo if it's still working. Or kung meron kang ibang microphone na gagamitin. As well as speakers. For the video, yan, kung ano rin yung gamit mo na camera. So, minsan kasi Snapcam yung gamit or other built-in cameras. And then, yung resolution, so pwede namang standard definition na lang tayo. Okay, so click done for the settings. And also, we have here, yan, report a problem, report abuse, or help if you have questions. Okay, about Google Meet. Then here, ito ay for attendance. Class attendance in Google Meet is one of the add-ons or Chrome extensions. So, siguro sa ibang vlog ko na lang i-discuss. Okay? And here, yan. So, if you are a student or a participant, you don't have to click present. Okay? Hindi po ito present as in for attendance. Ayan. It is present. Yan. Kung magpe-present ka, ikaw ay speaker or ikaw si teacher. But usually, join now talaga yung kiniklik.
Okay?
Voila! Nasa loob na tayo ng Google Meet. So, to check if your microphone is working properly, ayan, makikita mo itong pa-circle, di ba? So, for meeting details, yan, dito mo makikita yung joining information. So, all you have to do is to copy this link. Tapos, send mo na sa mga participants mo. Halimbawa na hindi mo naman sila in-email. Okay? Or kung code yung hinahanap nila, ito po yung ating meet code. Okay? Yung 10 characters na yan. Attachments naman, kasi minsan, yan, nilalagay na ng moderator or ng teacher yung PowerPoint presentation or Google Slides or video. Yan. So, dyan natin yan makikita. Okay, for attachments. So, pwede kang mag-mute. Yan, click mo lang ito. So, naka-mute ka na, microphone off. Siyempre, wag mo to i-click kasi magli-leave call ka kapag kinlik mo to. Ito naman is for your camera. Turn on captions. Ito naman ay for subtitle. Ayan, nakikita nyo po, di ba? Okay po. So, dito naman, makikita nyo, when you click this one, ito yung people. Ibig sabihin, ilan yung participants na nasa Google Meet. So, makikita nyo dyan lahat. So, you may add people kung ikaw ang moderator. Okay po. Here is the chat feature of Google Meet. So, kung nakamute yung microphone mo and you have an immediate idea or a question, you may type it in this chat box. Okay? So, pwede naman. Siyempre, yung oras. And then this one is a grid view kasi may default naman na grid view. Okay? Pero pwede ka pa rin mag-add-ons o Chrome extension ng Google Meet Grid View para mas maganda yung layout. Okay? And then this one, and ito lang, makikita mo rin naman yan dito, if you want to pin yourself to your main screen para ikaw lagi makikita, sa screen mo lang ha, or if you want to hide the participant, if you are the moderator. Okay, moving on, if you want to share your screen, okay, halimbawa, ikaw ay teacher or moderator, speaker, magpe-present ka ng iyong slides or yung PowerPoint presentation mo, you can click this one, present now, and then you have three choices. You can present using your entire screen, okay? Just click this one, then merong magpo-pop up na box, you click again your entire screen and then share. Pwede rin namang a certain window or a Chrome tab. Kapag ang iyong Google Slides or PowerPoint presentation ay merong animation or video, much better if you use this a Chrome tab. Okay, for more options, you can click these three dots here. So you can record your virtual meeting or virtual class. So click this one. Yan, Google Meet will ask for your consent and all you have to do is to click accept. Okay? Then after that, when you stop recording, automatic masisend na kagad sa Gmail mo at sa Google Drive mo yung recording. Okay? But if someone recorded the meeting, yan, kung hindi naman ikaw kasi ang naka-assign na mag-record, ang makikita mo na kagad dito ay stop recording. So, wag mong pindutin para hindi mag-stop yung recording ng iyong virtual meeting or virtual class. You can also change the layout or yung view mo sa Google Meet. Naka-auto tayo ngayon, pero you can choose sidebar, spotlight, and tiled. Okay? Also, pwede mo namang full screen. Turn on captions if you want subtitle, pero you can leave this as is na lang. Okay? Settings, ginawa na natin before joining the meeting. Kaya okay na yan. And then this one, same lang naman, katulad yung sa settings kanina. So, these are the default features of Google Meet. And that's it. You can now easily join any virtual meetings or virtual class.